Hi everyone, this video is going to be about the 4 mistakes that you might be doing if you are someone who's trying to lose weight. Now, mistake number one, which a lot of us actually happen to do, is following a diet chart. Now, we need to understand that following a diet chart basically means not listening to your body and then following a certain food pattern uh, at a specific time according to someone who doesn't know you too much, maybe a call or less, right? So we need to understand that it's important to listen to the body. Also, diet charts really give you that bandwidth to follow them for a certain period of time, and then the original self comes in, and then you lose out, and then you have cravings, and then you ultimately get back to all the weight that you had actually lost. It's the same reason why keto doesn't work. It's the same reason why a paleo doesn't uh, work, precisely because our Indian bodies are used to carbs, and we are used to certain kind of foods that are okay for us to have, considering the kind of climate we live in, right? So considering all those things, we definitely need to understand that it is not a sustainable way of losing weight. So don't really follow a diet chart. Myth number two is, having fat will make you fat. Now, we need to understand that vitamin A, vitamin D, there are a few things that need assimilation and the nutrient absorption that will happen in your body only if you're taking fats. Now, we need to understand that saturated fats are obviously bad, but not the natural ones, right? So you can have ghee, you can have coconut, you can have, say, paneer, you can have dry fruit, which is also a good source of fats in the body. So we need those fats, so that's not really going to make you fat. So have good fats while you're trying to lose weight. Myth number three, or the mistake number three, is saying that I will eat less and I will lose weight. Now we need to understand that definitely eating less will help you lose weight for obvious reasons, because you are creating a calorie deficit. But we need to understand that the metabolism of the body really gets compromised if you are curbing your hunger, if you are someone who's trying to curb the hunger by drinking tea or coffee in excess. So anyway, in fact, especially for girls, I think we've seen over a period of time that girls, when they fast, when they go on crash diets, the hormonal imbalance happens in the body, further creating different issues in them. So if you are someone who's seen someone losing weight by crash diets, you would have observed that they suddenly look very old, or they get dark circles, or they have very dull skin, or they start having issues with their knees and joints. It's precisely because they haven't lost that weight properly. So this brings us to the fourth mistake, or the fourth myth that we all make, is if we think that we will have certain foods, it will help us lose weight. Now we need to understand that if you are someone who's trying to have, let's say, 2 cups or 3 cups of green tea, and you think that it's going to help you lose weight, then we need to understand that it in isolation will never work to help you lose weight, right? So the losing weight will happen when you are eating your meals properly, when you are eating home cooked food, when you are eating your meal at proper times, right? So eating your meals at proper times, not snacking on junk food or anything from the packet, is much more important than having, let's say, a cup of green tea, or let's say having some apple cider vinegar, or maybe going to fat foods like digestive fiber biscuit. Now we need to understand that all these things have a lot of preservatives in them. So try to eat basic home cooked food, which you would have eaten over a period of time, during your childhood years, during your growing up years. So eat that kind of food, and have your principles in place, without really going to things like quinoa and all these fat foods, and without really going to green teas and thinking that green teas in themselves will actually help you lose weight. So this was all that we had for you. Do wait to watch the next video, where I'm going to talk about what you should actually eat to lose weight. Thank you. Bye bye.